Hello, welcome to our Lean meetings. My name is Alex Wierzchowski, and today we are going to continue with problem solving of the most complex problems. To do so, I just would like to remind that we follow the pattern facts, reasons, and solutions. So, when we have our facts collected, defined, when we have our reasons, root causes defined, then we can go to the last step to find solutions. To do so, we preferably meet in the same team of, let's say, 6 persons that we used to meet in previous meetings for facts collecting, definition, and reasons seeking. The rules applicable to this session are the following: respect, no criticism, focus on the topic. If there are any comments, they should be addressed to the group. We can inspire from each other. We can inspire from our ideas. There are 3 phases generally in this step. Creating ideas, where we need to keep in mind about no criticism rule. Ideas evaluation, here is the room for some constructive criticism. And selection of solutions, where we apply some methods to choose the best one. The method that we will use to generate our ideas is the following. We can apply the typical brainstorming, quite common in our companies, or we can apply a special version of brainstorming. This is Phillips 623. And I am going to explain to how to do it. So we have our 6 persons in a team. Everyone gets his own sheet of paper with 2 columns to write down ideas, and there are 6 iterations. Every 3 minutes, everyone puts down on his sheet of paper 2 ideas. Then we pass it to the partner and we rotate. Every 3 minutes, as you can see, we generate 2 ideas. After, let's say, a 3rd iteration, it's much more difficult to find some unique idea, because probably it's already here, but we can inspire from our colleagues. So when we finish with 6th iteration, then we need to check what is on our sheet of papers, on our cards, and make some kind of summary. How to do it? Just before I start to tell it, I just explain why this idea is so magic. Because after 18 minutes, after 6 iterations, we have 72 ideas, and now we need to summarize them. So, to the point. We choose one person, the first one, and this person starts reading what is on his sheet of paper. Then the other persons are checking their own list and cross out what is repeating. Then when the first person is finished, then the next one starts to read his own card, and the others are crossing out what is repeated, and so on and so on. So when we finish, we have on each sheet of paper just unique ideas, not repeated on other cards. Then we choose one person with the best legible handwriting style. Of course, it cannot be me. And this person rewrites the remaining ideas on one final list. This list has 6 columns because we have 6 participants. Everyone can vote, put his vote on the list on the solution, on the idea, which is, in his opinion, the best one. How many votes we have? It depends how long the list is. But when we finish, we will have some ideas with high scores. It means they are preferably the best solutions to address to our problems. So it's not the end. Then we need to evaluate them, applying some critical approach, and about that I will talk in the next session. So, as a conclusion, I would like to advise you strongly application of this method, Phillips 623, because in 18 minutes you get 72 ideas. Out of them you can find some short list by short evaluation. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's meet in our next Lean meeting. Thank you and goodbye.